Galanz GLR74BBER12 Retro Bottom Mount Refrigerator, Dual Door Fridge, Adjustable Mechanical Thermostat with True Freezer, 7.4 Cu.ft, Blue, Comfort Space Saving and Large Capacity. This Retro Bottom Mount Refrigerator with 20.79 24.09 65.55 watts DH and 7.4 Cu.ft capacity is perfectly sized to keep your favorite beverage cool, fruit or other food fresh. The sleek, retro design refrigerator is perfect for college dorm rooms, offices, garages, home bars. Adjustable mechanical thermostat control Galanz bottom refrigerator can be controlled manually with the control dial from 0 to 7. You can turn the knob to set the temperature you want. And the temperature range for refrigerator compartment is 32 to 47. Freezer compartment 0.4. Removable glass shelves. The glass shelf and drawer separate fruit and vegetable. Glass shelves can separate your different types of food. A removable slide-out glass shelf provides more ways to organize your storage needs. Energy saving and leveling front legs. Retro top-bottom refrigerator uses R600, a high-efficiency and low-energy consumption compressor. It can cool food quickly with lower energy. Leveling legs can adjust feet and keep level placement anywhere. Package includes 1 refrigerator, 3 removable glass shelves, 1 crisper drawer, 1 power cord, 1 grounding wire, 1 grounding plug, 1 user's manual, 1 warranty card. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.